Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip munch. Today, talking about a new flower. It's a ranunculus. This is a Japanese variety. It's called Charlotte. Is that not the most beautiful? When you get it in, you want to remove any of the lower foliage. It doesn't hold that well. Give it a fresh cut. Dip it into the quick dip. That will help hold it, start the hydrating. Then transfer it over to a vessel that has fresh water pre-mixed with flower food. From that point, you want to let it drink for at least 2 hours. Better would be 24 hours because as it's tight, it's not nearly as beautiful. But if you give it that cut, dip it, and then let it hydrate, you'll get that most beautiful, wide open bloom that is absolutely incredible. Do you want more? Join us for online flower school and learn how the pros do it.